Imagine turning your home into a personal light show with just a simple voice command. Today, I'll show you how the Philips Hue Smart Bulb Starter Kit can transform your ambiance entirely. Did you know that lighting can affect your mood, productivity, and even your sleep? Yes, it's that powerful. Most people are unaware of how much bad lighting can contribute to daily stress. You come home after a long day, and your environment feels just as stale as the office. Ignoring your lighting setup means you might never experience the cozy, relaxing home environment you deserve. Plus, who wants to stick with the same old bulbs when your home could be so much more vibrant? Enter the Philips Hue Smart Bulb Starter Kit. It's not just a bulb, it's your ticket to a completely personalized ambiance. With 16 million colors, you can set the perfect mood for every moment. First up, voice control. Imagine saying goodnight and watching your lights dim into a peaceful glow. Compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, it's effortless. Next, the color spectrum. With 16 million options, you can customize your space for movie night, work, or a party with just a few taps on your phone. Finally, it's about the convenience of scheduled routines. Wake up gradually with lights mimicking a natural sunrise, or unwind as they dim at bedtime. Don't just take my word for it. Over 80% of users rate it 5 stars for its transformative effects and ease of use. Compared to traditional bulbs or even other smart bulbs, Philips Hue stands out with its deep integration, superior app experience, and vibrant color accuracy. Ready to transform your home? Grab the Philips Hue Starter Kit today for just $109. With such an affordable price, why wait to enhance your living space? Subscribe for more amazing home hacks and check out my next video where I dive into the ultimate smart home setup.